I also like massaging here with little circles, a little bit of pressure. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks that I personally use for when I have really bad headaches. Again, this is my opinion, not sponsored, and a disclaimer, I'm not in the medical field, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse. If you guys need somebody in that profession, go seek medical help. Do not listen to this video, just go straight to your doctor, to the ER, go do what you have to do. I'm not suggesting you guys do this, I'm just telling you some tips and tricks that I learned along the way from my doctor that work for me that might work for you. But again, if you feel really bad or whatnot, go seek medical help. With that being said, let's get started. The things that work for me is whenever I feel that headache is my pressure points. So one of the things that I like doing is that I get my palm, it doesn't matter which one, I'm going to do it with this palm. And you see this little kind of like gap that we have here? I like pinching it like that, like so. I've heard that this is a pressure point and I do it a lot, like not hard, but enough pressure, and I also do little circles there, and that helps alleviate my headache a little bit. Another thing that I like doing is doing this right here. It's kind of like a pinching method, but you're doing it kind of like right here where your eyebrows start, and it's like where your bone is at, like the hollows of the bone, if that makes sense. And I just like pinching it there. Again, not hard, but pinching it, kind of like pushing it in and kind of pinching. So push it in and pinch. That helps alleviate the pressure in my head for a little bit. So when I personally get headaches, if I don't take something for them or if I don't do something quick, and I mean quick, it gets really bad, really intense in the matter of seconds. I get to the point where I feel very faint. I can't even open my eyes. When I personally get headaches, I have to do something immediately to relieve a little bit of that pressure that I feel in my head. So of course the pressure points, like I said, here and here. I also like massaging here with little circles, a little bit of pressure. That helps a lot. Here too, I like doing little like circles, kind of like rubs here in your temples. Another thing that works for me is dimming lights. Of course I personally take either aspirin because of my heart stuff, or I take Motrin if I have a fever, or I take just Tylenol. I will take one of those three depending on how bad my headache is. It also depends which medication I'm taking, just in case I'm taking other medication that they don't mix or whatnot. So again, speak with your doctor about medication. Another thing that works if I have it on hand is a banana. I also get a banana immediately and start eating it. Even if I'm not hungry, I start eating it. Even if it's like 3-4 bites or 2 bites or even 1 bite, I do that. It helps me personally a little bit. Another thing, guys, water. You have to stay hydrated. Some things that I've also tried that work for me is caffeine. I drink coffee. I drink a cup of coffee, even if it's half of the cup, I drink a little bit of coffee. Another thing, like I said, is the banana. Keep hydrated. You can also get electrolytes. Also, I like getting a napkin. It can also be cloth. I like wetting it with water, and then I just like folding it and putting it on my forehead and in the back of my neck like that. Another thing that really helps me is this, guys. I got this off of Amazon for about $12, and you put it in the freezer for about an hour to 2 hours. Then you put it on. So basically you just have to, let me show you guys. I have it backwards, but I just want to show you guys so you guys can see it well. You put it on like that. Oh, it feels so cold, so good. And then also you just, this feels super soothing, guys. Another thing that works for me is this roller. It's a peppermint roller, and I got this from Dollar Tree. So you just open it, put it here, put some here, and then I like putting some here in the back of my ears and in my temples. This smells really nice. The key here with headaches, of course, if you have them constantly, if you keep on getting them very constantly, or if they start getting worse and you get fevers, go seek medical help. If you're able to tolerate at home, if you know what to do when you spoke with your doctor already, follow what they have to say. Again, these are little tips and tricks that I learned from my doctor and from my family. Also, guys, if you guys are stressing a lot, that can be a factor to it. And I know it's super hard, and especially in the times that we are living in, but try to relax, try to not be so stressed. Stress can cause so many damage to your body. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.